So this is the before.
Boring.
And then we got the after.
Today we got the Mark 5 GTI again. So today's two mods that I recommend for under 20 bucks, or actually around 20 bucks. Blacked out sequential turn signals on Amazon. I'll put the link. I think it's like 25 bucks. And then noise pipe delete from Genius Design is on eBay. I think that was about 20 bucks. Eliminates this whole pipe. And we'll get into that as we're installing it, why we're doing that. Alright, first things first. You just pop this out. It's just a clip. Really should just come out relatively easily. Just like that. Next, this bolt holds this in right here. Holds the pipe that goes through here to here. So we'll get that done. There's an 8. Just like that, should come out. So the reason we're doing this, one, I guess, because this goes straight to the intake manifold, I believe, or something like that. And so all this extra air goes all the way here and just goes to the firewall, which creates noise. So people claim you get better throttle response. I guess we'll be the judge of that. Plus weight reduction because you're getting all rid of this. Not a lot, but decent amount, I guess. What is that, like a couple pounds?
Probably.
Next, you got this down here. This clip.
Let me see. Let me put the camera down there.
You just gotta look there. You see it? Yeah, right there.
Okay, yeah.
Get rid of that.
Nice.
Oh, there's another bolt here. Huh. That torques. Yeah. Alrighty. So I guess one extra bolt that I didn't realize. Let's get that out. I'll have the links for all this stuff down below. Also, another thing I wanted to mention in the last video, the GTI, I did spark plugs. I did actually one step, or I think I went too cold. So I actually swapped out the spark plugs again. So I had I think the part number that I put in was BKR8. So that's the heat range 8, which is way too cold for these. I thought I bought 7, but I guess I was wrong. So I went and got 6s, which is stock heat range. So just don't do that. Maybe if you take this out. I'm just doing this without knowing anything about this, so seeing what we can do. And okay, it's out. So now this just goes to the firewall, and you could leave that open. A lot of them do, but I bought the Genius Design because it's a 3D printed piece. Slides in there, and then you just put the clip back over it. Get it in this. Alright, so now you have a little plug there. So that just sits like that. Next, you have this that goes down into this port right here that leads into that throttle body. And if you're having any like weird noises that you hear, I guess people say like noise pipe can bring any unwanted sounds into the cabin. This will get rid of it. Sometimes there's vibrations, I don't know, stuff like that. I just thought a cheap mod, why not? Let's do it. So you can either use an 8mm ratchet or a flathead screwdriver. This way you can get a little bit more grip and tighten it with the 8mm ratchet, but I don't know how tight you have to be. I mean, right now it's not going anywhere like that, so I might just tighten it a couple more clicks and be done. Seems like it's getting tight, so. Okay, so now you have a much cleaner engine bay, sealed, and sealed, and we'll go for a drive. But next, we got the turn signals. So I like it because it's gonna match the whole plastic piece. It's gonna be black all the way down. The red, it's gonna look much better than just this white. Plus it's sequential, so they do actually give you a little tool. So we'll start there and show you how that goes. Oh, and they give you a T10. Look at that. Little T10. So this kit might be kind of nice. We'll see. All right, so I guess there's. So I showed you in those ones. There's 2 tabs. So I guess you just kind of pop them out like that. Make sure you want to use plastic.
It's coming up nice on the inside.
And you just kind of pop it out over here.
This is pretty cool though. I remember when I did the carbon fiber caps on my S5, the whole mirror and the whole heating assembly had to come out to do it. One of those annoying forks, I think. Just gotta pull a little bit more and it'll pop out. Nice.
Tab broke, obviously, but it is what it is.
All the heated aspect.
Kind of just pull on them. Be careful though. They're pretty old. Cars are not that new. See, that was gonna come out. I'm gonna try push on it like this. Nobody's gonna show you the struggle. Everybody's gonna show you how easy it is. I'm gonna show you that it's not that easy because everything is old on these dang cars. Okay, that one came out. The second part should be a lot easier. You got these clips right here, push on them. This part should just slide right out. One right here. One, it's in here, I believe. The other one, yeah, here. Bring the light all the way down here. That's the other one. This one right here. That's actually kind of funny. There's another guy that I did a video on this, and this one was missing. So maybe it just doesn't come with that. I don't know. So I guess there's only 3. He said it was missing, but I guess there's only 3, so I don't know. Maybe mine's missing 2. Well, so to get them off, I guess. Using their supplied tools, guys. You don't even need to have your own tools. Look at this. Using supplied tools. It's kind of annoying, but you can do it. Alright, it's out. Now you just pull it out like that. Alright, I was going to say maybe you need a screwdriver, but you probably don't even need a screwdriver. I kind of just pulled on this tab down by my hand, and this should just come out like that. So now we got that out. This does just come out, so you can just pull on it. Okay, so just clean it up a little bit while it's out. Clip this piece back in. Obviously it's not that tight, whatever. Aftermarket. Well, actually, you know what? Don't do that. Clip this in first.
Oh, that's nice.
Okay, it's a little tougher to clip in than normal. So yeah, so now just go back in the way it came in, or it went out, I should say. It'll sit like that, and it'll fit like that. Alright, so all the bolts are tightened down, all 3. So now this just kind of slides in its grooves. Sal's the worst light holder of all time. Like that. Alright, so I got the mirror, everything in. This should just slide in. This has to also go under at the same time. if you use the plastic, can kind of help guide it.
That's
Pretty much it.
All right, so now we're gonna repeat the process on the other side. It's the same thing, but you know, reverse. But yeah, we'll get back to you guys when it's done.
All right, both sides are done. So now I'm just gonna clean the glass because we're putting our hands and dirty hands on there. Once we do that, next clip you'll see we're driving this bad boy. Right off the bat, I feel nothing. Maybe I'm just tweaking. I don't lie. I can't tell if it's like butt tightening or like. It does feel actually a lot more responsive. I can't even lie. I think it's like right. It's like 0.1 second faster. I genuinely feel like that. I'm not even gonna lie to you guys right now.
Like a 10th.
Just trying to see like how fast the boost builds. Can't tell. Can't really tell. Don't know. Oh, my turn signals probably look sick.
This thing needs a resonator delete. Full-on straight pipe.
Not sure what to think here. Either way, 20 something, I think it was like $22. Not bad. I wouldn't say it's the worst purchase in the world. If it was like $50 to $60 for a piece of rubber and a 3D printed plastic piece, then
I wouldn't be able to do that.
Yeah. I don't know if I'd do it for that much, but for 20, not bad. Turn signal mirrors, that's more of like a really good purchase, I feel like, for 25 bucks. Improve the look of your car. Alright, so I'm sitting here revving it. I feel like it's less vibration-y in some of the interior.
Just got smoked. You just got smoked.
Buddy thought I was racing.
Nah, you were racing, bro. You got smoked.
I'm not even fully warmed up yet, buddy.
Sick about it, man.
I don't really know what I'm feeling here. Honestly, I can't tell if I'm feeling something or not. Then again, I'm used to driving this car by myself. Having an extra weight in here is not really helping. It's got pull still. I don't know what to think. 20 bucks do it, I guess. I don't know if you want to do it. Well, it makes your engine bay look cooler. I guess it's weight reduction. The pipe maybe weighs 5 pounds, so you lose 5 pounds. There you go. All right, well, that's the end of this video. Sorry for anticlimactic ending to the video. Anyways, like, subscribe. See you guys in the next one.